Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. We're taking a quick look here again at Near Protocol, seeing what's going on. Man, I love having to update our Fibonacci retracement levels. It is happening a lot too with some of the coins that we've been covering and taking trades with. Just having to kind of reevaluate the new scenario there daily with new highs. Oh, it's so much fun. Speaking of new scenarios here, congrats to a lot of our community members here for some awesome trades here. Mainly the Near Protocol trade, of course, we took 2 days ago, 112%. On only a 6x leverage trade. Man, that's so awesome. Love to see when that happens, and congrats to our community members for that. Awesome stuff there. And again, welcome aboard to anyone else who is just recently joined. Future reference too, if you're new to our signals group or our community, premium or premium plus, make sure you read through our signals guide. Highly recommended. Just kind of gives you ideas for how the trades are structured, recommendations how to structure them, and also how to link your accounts if you are interested in the Cornix auto trading bot. Okay, so again, just some friendly advice there. Check that out in your own time. Let's go ahead and pull up some back-end data here, see what's going on with liquidation, because when we talked yesterday, we had some liquidation levels that were ready to be swept, and whoa, big surprise, they did. It's actually kind of a big one here. This is the 1 month time frame, keep in mind, just to give you quick perspective. We had heavy concentration at $2.72. That level was swept. We got into about $2.30 ourselves for our trade. If you can see here, $1.14 is some massive amount. Dude, boy, some people are doing pretty well with this coin here. Fantastic results. Comment below if you are in at 114 or lower. That is pretty awesome. Kudos to you. Okay, so let's take a look here at the 7-day. This is a little bit more accurate as far as recent trading is concerned. And we can see here, these are the liquidation levels I was concerned about yesterday when we reviewed this last. I said, do not short this coin. Unfortunately, a lot of folks are still doing so. They obviously haven't discovered my channel yet. $3.37, $3.40, and upwards of about $3.53. Okay, so we got some late shorts here at about $3.56, hoping for the best, not wanting to get liquidated, of course. I hope you don't. But at this point, the general bias is the price action is going to go up before it comes down. Okay. Keep in mind too, with this lower liquidity level, there is a lot of concentration at 274. So the price starts getting closer to that. Be very careful, just because again, concentrated liquidation levels are a target for the whales. They love to destroy those levels. Okay. Now, just to touch on the daily time frame here, there's really nothing that's been bearish at all on this coin. In fact, we were starting to see 3 white soldiers form, 1 more green day, and we could see a possible red day to follow. It's a different scenario. We'll cover that later. But generally speaking, there is literally no reason to take a short here. Everything is moving up hard and fast, so I love it. Absolutely the right way to go. Now, when it comes to the moving averages, just to clarify, we're going to pay attention to the 20-day SMA. It's going to be a while before we retest that level, but that's really the trend setter. If we're over the 20-day SMA, as you can see, running concurrent with this ascending trend, we know the trend is our friend, and we should continue to expect the price to go up before it comes down. Keep in mind, of course, there's a lot of room here. That's not to say the price couldn't still drop by 23% and still be above that level, okay? So please don't be naive and think that the price can never pull back because we're in an ascending trend. Just letting you know the overall trend is still bullish until we break below that. We can presume the price action is going to remain where it's at and stay strong, okay? We also have a massive amount of money flowing into this coin, which we can see here, literally on the 4-hour time frame. If you take a look at this here, money flow index, extremely high. That's this green guy right here. As long as that stays high, we have no reason to consider selling. Really, that's just the bottom line. High money flow index really just implies the price is going to go up. You see that start to come down. The money's coming away from the coin and likely selling pressure. Okay, but for right now, looking all good here. We got our convergence here on the stochastic RSI as well. Again, no reason to consider a short. Once more, there are overextensions we want to look at in smaller time frames to maybe help identify. But really, from a bird's eye view, daily time frame, we're perfect on everything bullish. 4-hour time frame, this is near perfect as well. Look at this, we came up to a 9 on TD sequential, got a little bit of a reset here, nice little period of consolidation for about 12 hours. Price legs up again. So we are about we're 12 hours into a 72-hour continuation, or potential 72 hours. So I think near is just getting started. Really, that's just the bottom line here. I don't think we're going to see the price action pull back. The hourly time frame will tell us a little bit more about that. We'll look at the 15-minute too as well for our CC Golden Indicator and kind of see what that looks like. I'm going to start talking a little bit more about that in our videos just because I get the question a lot. We have a lot of people having acquired that here recently. Again, you can purchase that on our homepage, cryptocash.tech if you're curious. I have instructional videos how to use it. It's really good at finding entry targets and sell targets. Again, it's best on the 15-minute time frame. We'll look at that here in a minute. But on the hourly, we can see there's no no consideration for the price action to pull back here at this point. In other words, lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines above the baseline, we have good momentum, and the cloud is still working its way up. So 3 out of 3 reasons to not take a short position. I want to repeat that. Do not take a short position, okay? Again, that's just my personal opinion. Those are my thoughts. I would feel weird taking a short right now. Again, I know it seems juicy, of course, oh man, short the top, why not? But the top keeps coming, okay? Price keeps going up. It's not really ideal situation right now, especially with Bitcoin being in the 44K range. Bitcoin loses 44,000, maybe starts trending towards 43 or 42. Different story altogether. The price will pull back. You got to recognize that. That's exactly what happened here. This 1 hour time frame. That's exactly what occurred with Bitcoin. Bitcoin yanked back for a short while. A little, what was that? How much percent? That's a 1.5% correction from Bitcoin, and that turned out to be a 6% correction from Near Protocol. Okay, so that's 4x of Bitcoin. So you got to recognize taking long positions with coins like this is statistically safer. However, there's a larger probability you're going to get liquidated if you use high leverage. So all the more reason to use low leverage and sustain these types of price points. Again, we used low leverage and we survived these ebbs and flows of the price pulling back after it increased. Okay, main reason why we didn't go super hard with our trade. Okay, again, 50x leverage, I think that's too much. If you do use a small amount, that's maybe a different story, but low leverage, low position size is really the way to go. Okay, let's wrap this up here. 15-minute time frame. Just a quick look here at CC Golden, just so you can kind of see how it works. Okay, so it gives you buy signals at these low price points, tells you when it's overextended, and of course it tells you when to sell. So we got a sell signal there right as the price was starting to pull back. Okay, I got the question too, can you set alerts? Yes, you definitely can. You have a long entry, long exit, or overextension alerts if you'd like. Okay, simple as this. Add an alert, you select CC Golden, and you choose which one you want, entry, exit, or overextension. Okay, it's really nice. It kind of actually gives you a lot more customizable potential. So again, best used on the 15-minute time frame. I have walkthroughs on how that works. You can use it on the 5-minute as well. It just gives you a lot quicker movements, and sometimes that's what you're looking for if you're day trading. I don't know. Anyways, it's there for you. So last thing I want to clarify too, we got a lot of questions here and also some wonderful feedback. I love that everyone's liking this exchange. I like it too. But no KYC, no VPN, just to clarify, the reason why we're using it is because BingX is requiring VPNs now, which means KYC is on the horizon. And that's our affiliate. We still love BingX, but again, with them requiring that, it's just one of those things that's inevitable, and at this point, we may as well get ahead of it, okay? These guys coincidentally have trailing stop losses, multiple profit targets, and just some super cool features. Be sure to check them out. I have information on our Bitutix section in our Discord. So if you have questions, go ahead and reference that. Either way, thanks again so much for watching. I hope you learned something here today. Thanks again. We'll look forward to seeing the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you again. Take care.